Hello everyone and welcome back to Forensics. Bloodstains are frequently encountered at violent crime scenes. But do you know that these bloodstains are found in different types of patterns? And if studied properly, these patterns can help in reconstructing a crime scene? Therefore, today we'll be discussing about the history of bloodstain pattern analysis, formation of a blood drop, enhancement and documentation of bloodstain patterns. According to Scientific Working Group on Bloodstain Pattern Analysis, a spatter stain is defined as a blood stain resulting from a blood drop dispersed through air due to an external force applied to a source of liquid blood. Bloodstain pattern analysis is the application of scientific knowledge to the examination and the interpretation of the morphology, sequence, and distribution of bloodstains associated with a crime. BPA uses principles of biology, physics, and mathematics. Analysis of bloodstain pattern can help us to determine sequence of events at the crime scene, origin of the bloodstain, position of victim, assailant, or objects at the scene during shed, approximate location of source of blood, number of impacts applied to source of blood, intensity and direction of impact, manner of death, whether accident, suicide, or murder. Talking about the history of BPA, first systematic study of bloodstains was in 1895 when Edward Petrosky published a study on the formation, form, direction, and spreading of bloodstains resulting from blunt trauma at the head. Due to further studies, it later became clear that it is possible to calculate the angle of impact of spatter and its area of convergence using trigonometry. In famous Samuel Shepherd case, Samuel Shepherd, a physician, was convicted of murdering his wife, Merlin Shepherd, in 1954. Expert testimony of Dr. Paul Kirk in second trial exonerated him in 1966. Dr. Kirk concluded that blood spatter marks showed the killer to be left-handed while Shepherd was right-handed. Dr. Kirk also testified that Shepherd stained his watch while obtaining a pulse reading of his dying wife. In 1983, the International Association of Blood Stain Pattern Analysts was founded and supported the continuity of the discipline. Formation of a blood drop. Blood leaks out from the body if there is an injury which has damaged any blood vessel. The formation of a blood drop is a complex event that is influenced by viscosity, surface tension, cohesion force, and gravity. The surface tension of the blood causes it to hang from the opening of a wound and to form a pendant drop of blood, which is held together by the cohesion force to maintain the shape of a blood drop. Surface tension causes liquids to minimize their surface. As a result, the formed blood drop is spherical. As the volume of the drop gradually increases and exceeds a certain size, it detaches itself and falls. A falling blood drop is under the influence of downward force of gravity and upward force of air resistance. Enhancement and documentation. Luminol is a chemical reagent which can be used for locating bloodstains at the scene. Documentation of bloodstain patterns can be done using photography, note-taking, and sketching. Photographs should be taken with an overall view followed by a medium range and a close-up view of the bloodstain patterns. A scale of measurement must be included in the photograph, which is critical for bloodstain pattern analysis. That's all for this video. In part 2, we'll discuss types of bloodstain patterns and analysis of spatter pattern will be covered in part 3.